Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up tracking expenses with Welly for landlords. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up tracking expenses with Welly for landlords, start by downloading the Welly app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account if you don't have one. Log in using your credentials. On the main dashboard, look for the Add Expense button. Tap on it to begin entering your first expense. Choose the category that best fits your expense from the list provided. Enter the total amount of the expense in the designated field. Add a description to clarify what the expense is for. If applicable, attach a photo of the receipt by selecting the camera icon. Once all details are filled in, hit the Save button to record the expense. To view your expenses, navigate to the Expenses tab on the main menu. You can filter expenses by date, category, or property to find specific entries easily. For more detailed tracking, consider setting up properties in the app. Go to the Properties section and select Add Property. Fill in the property details, including address and rental type. Link your expenses to the respective property for better organization. To analyze your spending, visit the Reports section to view insights on your financials. This feature provides graphs and summaries to give you an overview of your expenses. Regularly update your expenses to maintain accurate records over time. Utilizing Welly effectively can help you manage your rental finances smoothly. Now you're all set to keep track of your expenses as a landlord using Welly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.